श्री गोविंद Gowdenkiit सांगलं ते he wanted to demonstrate his strength after his exit from the ministry. Unceremonious exit. He was kicked out. But he wanted to show that he is with the people and I still have the strength of my people. Then an emotional strength speech दिली and that is between him, his voters and his party to understand. हांव एक म्हणू सोदतां तेणें थिंगा स्टेटमेंट केलें तेणें एलिगेशन रिएनफोर्स केलें काडचनी पयलें तेणें वेरी बोल्ड एलिगेशन्स केले रिएक्शन कितें जालां ते एलिगेशनाचो उतर आसा आज पासून कोणें रिप्लाय केलो ड्रॉप केलें तर सोड बट सिटींग मिनिस्टर allegation करतना it is more serious than opposition or even an MLA making this allegation. And therefore I think BJP needs him to give an answer to those allegations which he has made, clarify on each aspect which he has raised, and then I think the people of Goa will be satisfied. तुम्ही ऐकला phrase, the nation wants to know, आता Goa wants to know.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
Lectures, hangouts, late night reels, मस्ती वाले ये अपने wheels.
पहले प्यार की पहली राइड.
Slowly, slowly matching vibe.
Activa, Activa, Activa. First love बोले तो Activa. आओ करें try एक नया बात. Click your first, make your mark.